In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here on your chart, you want to click on Drawing up top over here, and then where it says Drawing Tools, you want to hover over it and select whatever you want to draw. So for example, if I want to draw this rectangle, I can just click on it, and then here it's going to pop up this pen icon instead of my cursor, and you can just click on the first point and then drag it out like this without holding down your mouse button, click it again, and it's going to create a rectangle. Now, of course, you could go ahead and create as many of these drawings as you want. Here, let's say I just want to create this Fibonacci fence over here. I could go ahead and do that as well. So I could click over here, and there we go. As you can see, I can drag this out. So yeah, you can put as many drawings as you want on here, and do remember, don't drag it out. Just do first click and then let it go, and then second click, and it's going to draw on. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.